Big Papa Daddy coming to you live from Louisiana. You got me here on this there Smoky Channel. Break. We got ourselves here some Appalachian cheddar biscuit mix. Break. You hear me? 5 by 5, Big Daddy. Break 19. I've got me some big tires crushing greasy, grimy gopher guts all over the asphalt, just like a hot summer day along the big 8-0. Do you hear me? Roger. Radio check. 5 by 5. Come on, back. We got ourselves a portable parking lot out here as this here corn shaker tries to fix his dinner. Come on back, break. Corn binder, bulldog, bullfrog, freight shaker, K-Whopper. We don't know what this here driver is be driving, but we know it done squished it good. Come on back, break. Squeezy, nice and easy. Coming across these airwaves from the Big Easy. You ain't seen nothing yet. Buster Brown, back, break. That was greasier and a $4 lot lizard at a pickle park. Definitely you're gonna want to wash up. Don't get any of that on you when you rent yourself a good time. Break. 10-6, 10-4. This here buckamouth is on his way to the local choking pew. Come park this angry kangaroo at the back row. Get me some go-go juice so I can rejoin the turtle race. Just watch out for the Kojaks with the Kodak. Don't be sandbagging out there. Breaker. Wall, treetop tall. Break.